Welcome everyone to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making bread. Let's begin. We will need 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons cooled unsalted melted butter, 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of extra flour for dusting. In a large bowl, I am going to put 1.5 cups of warm water, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. Stir this mixture and let it sit for approximately 5 minutes. Now we are about to add our flour. We are going to add half of the flour that you have. So that's approximately 2 cups of flour, and you are also going to add your salt. Now we are going to mix. We are now going to gradually add the rest of the flour. As you can see, our dough is coming together. I'm going to add the last amount of flour, and we are going to incorporate it into the dough, and we are going to knead our flour. To knead, you pull the dough towards you and away. Pull towards you, pull and push. Pull and push. When you're finished kneading your dough and it is in a complete ball like this, what's in my bowl, you now transfer it to a clean, greased bowl. And you are going to leave your dough to rise for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour until it is doubled in bulk. Now that you have kneaded your dough into this bowl until it is elastic, you transfer it to your greased bowl. And remember to let your dough rise for 45 minutes to 1 hour until it is doubled in bulk. When it is doubled in bulk, it should reach to about half of this bowl. This is what the dough looks like. It's in a covered with plastic wrap, or you can either use a wet towel, not dripping wet, damp. Okay, everyone, now we are back. And as you can see, the dough has risen in the pan. It's 1 inch above the rim, and it's now time to put it into the oven that has been preheated at 350 degrees. Okay, everyone, now this is your beautiful finished product. This bread has been baked for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, or you can bake it until it is this color golden brown. You now transfer it onto a cooling rack and you cool your bread and enjoy.